This is the Easifold 1000, 1140 millimetres squared and holds 1000 litres. We take the lid off by moving the catches to the inside, easily shown by the indication on the lid, open and close, and the open is all towards the centre. If you take the back, just give it a twist. And the lid is off. Now this is pretty straightforward and obvious in the order in which you have to lift the sides. But for ease, each panel is numbered. So this is 3, 4, 2, and 1. So you can stack these, if you wish, when they are full, 5 high in a warehouse. And the main difference between this box and other boxes that we use, this being an 1140 square footprint, goes into sea shipping containers, and you can fit them 2 across the base of a sea shipping container. And that's the principal difference between this and a standard 1200 by 1000 box. Now when you dismantle this, you do have to do it in order. So on the inside of the panel it's numbered 1. This one's numbered 2 on the inside. This one's numbered 3. Give it a little lift using the inside ridge, and the same on this side.